Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the resplendent glow of the floodlights, the NJ Indians and Nexen Tech United prepared to weave a thrilling chapter in the Millennium Cricket League, F40 League Division B clash.
And as the sun dipped beyond the horizon, a symphony of cricketing prowess awaited. The stage was set for a clash that promised to capture the essence of competition and skill.
Today's enthralling contest was brought to life thanks to our incredible event advertisers, fueling the spirit of the game with their continuous support.
DivGen Pharmaceuticals, crafting futuristic medicines with the strategy of a winning game plan. Faith Home Healthcare, when you need a winning partnership in care, were your opening batsmen.
The NJ Indians dominated with a masterclass in batting and bowling. Key partnerships in the first innings set the stage, while a splendid bowling display in the second innings sealed Nexen Tech United's fate.
Nexen Tech United fought valiantly, but pivotal breakthroughs by the NJ Indians turned the tide. The story of this match was one of seizing moments, with each twist contributing to a tale of undeniable triumph.
Avanish Reddy and Sumant Singh's partnership played like a riveting duet, a core that propelled NJ Indians to a formidable first innings total.
Nexen Tech United's bowlers, while facing the onslaught, crafted moments of success, but it was the strategic tapestry of Reddy and Singh that defined the innings.
Nexen Tech United's innings unravelled under the relentless pressure exerted by NJ Indians bowlers, with no partnership echoing the thunder of their opponent's resolve.
Tarun Kumar Ravi, an architect of wickets, spun a web around Nexen Tech United, whose batsmen struggled to build the bridges necessary to chase down the imposing target.
Avanish Reddy with his symphonic innings and Tarun Kumar Ravi with his 4-wicket haul were the crusaders for NJ Indians today.
Their performances were pivotal, scripting the match direction with a blend of Reddy's composed batting and Ravi's clinical bowling, vital cogs in their team's well-oiled machine.
NJ Indians emerged victorious by a commanding margin of 65 runs, a testament to their all-round supremacy and strategic acumen on the field.
The result, a clarion call of dominance, spoke volumes of NJ Indians' preparation and execution, leaving Nexen Tech United to reflect on the lessons learned. Through a blend of finesse akin to international stars, NJ Indians and Nexen Tech United provided a glimpse into the future of cricketing excellence.
As we close the saga, NJ Indians' victory leaves a lasting impression, their performance an omen of electrifying contests to come in the Millennium Cricket League.